Why is email marketing the best business model to start online? Well, when you want to start an online business, there are many different business models that you can start. You can use drop shipping, you can use affiliate marketing, you can use multi-level marketing, you can build a coaching consulting kind of business, you can start a digital publishing business. But in my opinion, email marketing is the best business model. And let's discuss why. Well, in a niche based affiliate marketing business, what you do is you put up a blog, you put up lots and lots of content on it, and then you promote an affiliate offer. But the problem with that is you need to put out a lot and lot of content, and that requires to be someone who can produce quality content, and that takes time to learn. Plus, it's not easy to get yourself ranked on search engines, and it's not easy to get traffic from search engines. Plus, even if you do manage to do that, the volume will be less. So it's not very scalable. So that is why I don't consider this a very effective business model when you want to start online. Secondly, you can start a drop shipping or an e-commerce business. But again, the problem over here is that the margins are very low compared to a digital marketing business or a digital publishing business where you can get 75 to 100% commissions for a product that you don't even own. The commissions or the margins in the e-commerce business is very, very less. Plus, you need a lot of technical knowledge to make an e-commerce work. Again, it's not a bad business model. Lots of people make lots of good money using e-commerce. But again, I don't consider it to be the best business model when you're just starting out. Thirdly, you can start a coaching or a consulting type of business. So here what you do is that you sell your expertise. Whatever expertise you have, you coach people, you consult with people one on one, and you work with them until they get the results that they desire. But to be able to get into coaching, you need to have expertise. If you're not an expert in your field and you haven't gotten results for yourself, and if you haven't delivered results for your clients, it does not make any sense to get into coaching or consulting because when you get into coaching or consulting, you need to be a really master at what you are doing because the price points that you charge clients for are from $5,000 all the way up to $10,000. And if you're charging that much amount of money, you need to have produced very good results for yourself. You need to be able to produce very good results for your clients as well. So that's another business model which I don't think is the best one to start when you're just starting. The fourth business model that you can start online is probably digital publishing. And what you do here is that you take the content, the expertise that you have, and you package it into a course, and then you sell that course. But again, there are problems over here. The first issue is that you'll have to build a funnel. Now, a funnel is a very technical thing and it takes a lot of time. It's not easy to get done, and you'll have to waste a lot of time, money, effort just creating that funnel. So, that is a very big hurdle. Plus, there are a lot more other things, a lot more other factors that you'll learn that you'll have to learn about internet marketing, which again will take a lot of time and a lot of effort. So, this again, I don't consider to be the best business model. Best business model, as I've already mentioned, is email marketing. What you do here is basically you put up an opt-in page, you drive traffic to that opt-in page, and once someone opts in to your email list, they're on your autoresponder, they're on your email list, and then you send them daily automated emails or daily broadcast emails, and in those emails you put in your affiliate links, and when someone clicks on that affiliate link and goes to an affiliate offer and buys that offer, you get affiliate commissions. This is by far the easiest, fastest, and least hassle-free business that you can start.